Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening HHExchange and signing in with your agency ID, employee ID, and password. Once logged, make sure you grant location and notification permissions so check-ins work reliably. You should also verify a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Without it, real-time updates stall. Enter any required facility codes now so schedules map correctly. After these steps, you'll see your dashboard populate. That visibility explains why permissions and accurate ID matter for shift tracking and payroll reconciliation. You proceed by reviewing assigned shifts on your dashboard and confirming availability. This prevents duplicate assignments. When you arrive, tap Clock In and Follow prompts to capture location and start time. Add visit notes and mileage before clocking out so client context is recorded. For billing, create visit claims by selecting service codes, adding hours, and collecting electronic signatures where needed. Once a claim is complete, submit it. The app validates common errors, so your submission moves faster through payroll and billing. To finish, review the claim's summary and shift approvals to confirm hours and payments before payroll cutoff. Corrections made early prevent denials. Once done, export reports for your supervisor or retain screenshots for disputes. If data fails to sync or a claim stalls, force close the app, clear cache/data, and re-login. This often resolves session errors. If the problem persists, note the error message and contact your agency admin so they can escalate with HHExchange support while you keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.